So Gimkit created a whole separate part to their one, and it's very different. And this is all about writing. So what we're going to do is we're going to practice writing, obviously in Spanish, and use Gimkit Ink for this so that others can see our published work. Once you're there, click on Spanish 2, 2021, and then make sure you join with Google and use your student account. And then once you're there, you're going to look through the scenario and read all about what you're going to be writing about. Now, this is everything that we have been working on, so it won't be shown when you start writing. So just know if you want to copy and paste it into another browser, you can, but just know these are the things that you can talk about in your writing. You want to aim for about 10 sentences. When you're ready and you know what you're going to write about, just press Write a Post. Then when you're down here, you can choose to whether you can write an article, which is all on one page, or a story. I'm going to start off by showing you how to work the article. So once you're in the article, you just start typing. And you can type everything that you want to say, or you can type them on different lines as well. Now, don't listen to what I just did. Now, I want to make the Yo Fui a Cuba a little bit bigger. So I'm going to press the slash, see how it says type slash, and I'm going to choose big heading. Oh, well, that chooses that one. You're just going to play around with it. Now I'm going to keep on writing, and maybe down here I want to type more. And then whenever I'm ready, notice here, symbols, you can add your Spanish accents if you don't have your keyboard. I'm going to press publish. Now, not going to lie, this is very ugly. So before I publish for everyone to see, I'm going to go back to editing, and I'm going to add a YouTube video to show a little bit more about Cuba. So I just press the backslash here. And I could even make bullets. I could make a table. I could add an image, a link, and I'm just going to use YouTube video. And then once I'm there, I find a video on another tab, and I can paste the YouTube video here. That's not going to work. I just used the wrong one. Either way, you get the hint. So now that I like it so much more pretty, I'm going to press ready to publish. And here, you're going to give yourself a title, Cuba, make it more interesting, an emoji, and then press continue. Now, who can read your writing? Everyone is going to select anyone can read your writing. However, let's say you don't want people to know that it's you that just wrote that and you didn't include your name in it, then you can just press just my teacher. So now my name is hidden for everyone else besides the teacher. And now it's published. Once you publish it, go take a look at other people's by looking at open the project. Now, once you open the project, you can see that there will be several other examples unless you're the first one to go. So I'm going to look at Kristen's. That looks pretty interesting. And I'm going to see, okay, it's letting me edit it. What others see? Oh, look, I can leave a comment. Wow, buen trabajo. And then I'm just going to comment there, and you can look through others as well. And let's say you see someone's, and you're like, whoa, oh, here. Oh, whoa, this is fire. Or, whoa, those looks way cooler than mine. Well, you can write another one, or you could delete yours, which coming up here, go down here and press delete. But otherwise, write another one. So press write a post, and this time, try the story. Now, the story is completely different, but it's going to allow a little bit more creativity. And that's what the Gimkit host wanted to create with writing is a bit more of creativity. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to start writing. Now, I want this to be my title page, so I'm going to write Cuba. And I could change the font. I could also change the color of the background. And then I could even add an image, YouTube video, any of the other following things there. So let's say I added a YouTube video from Cuba, okay? So here, add YouTube video, found a link, and now I have Cuba. So now my title appears there. Now, I could write all on one page, but, oh look, I can make it bigger. Instead, this is a storyboard, and I want people to go through my story and make it a little more interesting. So I'm gonna come down here and press New Frame. Once I'm on a new frame, here it can be, Yo fui a Havana. Okay, now it's a specific city. Now I could write to the right or the left of it. I'm gonna write to the right, and I'm gonna say what I did in Havana. Yo comí, it's not there. Ropa vieja, that's in Chile. And then I could add pictures, change the style, etc. And now when people look at my storyboard, it's going to be more of a story than just all in one page. The same thing goes when you publish. Choose ready to publish, give it a title, press anyone, and then you can have your name there as well so everyone can see it. When you're done, take a look at others, like, comment, any of those ones. Hope this helps.